In the last video, we covered how to import videos into Google Slides, and in this video, I'm going to be going through all of the settings. To access the settings, all you need to do is tap on the video, then go to Format Options on the navigation bar above. Then all of the settings will open on the right hand side of your Google Chrome tab. The first option is Video Playback. This is where you choose what time the video will start at and what time it will end. This is the equivalent to cropping a video. For example, if I would like it to start at 30 seconds instead of at 0 and end at 1 minute, I can do that. This is useful if you want just to cover a few bits of information. The next option below that is autoplay when presenting. This means that when you present your Google Slides, it will automatically play once the slide is on. And the last option in this category is mute audio. And the final option is drop shadow. This gives a shadow to the video, making it seem more 3D. You can adjust the transparency, the angle, the distance from the video, and the blur radius. And the blur radius basically means how blended it is. You can also change the colour using this wheel here.